And here's another very successful trader, Stephen Dux, who is also a student of Timothy Sykes. Stephen Dux learned all the basics, learned some patterns and some systems, and Stephen Dux is also one who trades using his own system of trading. Stephen Dux does not trade like Timothy Sykes.
So a year and 1 month, 27,000 to 900,000. What is your secret? Tell us. How do you do this?
You wait for the perfect opportunity, and you just need to wait and wait and wait. Wait for opportunity fits every single of your criteria. Then you go for the trade.
What is your criteria? How do you determine what is a good versus a not good setup?
You build a spreadsheet. You know what you're good at, what you're good at, what you're bad at, and you're trying to improve what you're bad at and trying to advance what you're good at.
And what you heard him say was that he made mistakes. And what you may not know about Stephen is that he lost quite a bit of money initially starting to trade, and he learned from his mistakes. And he borrowed money from his roommate at the time to then utilize what he had learned to then build up his trading account and then become successful. But Stephen doesn't utilize the same trading strategies that Tim Sykes utilizes. Stephen trades his own style, and he has his own system and his own setups that he trades. And those are the setups and the systems that he teaches. But to trade like Stephen Dux, you need a lot of money to have a very special trading account so that you can short the stocks that Stephen shorts. Because not all brokerages allow you to short the stocks that Stephen Dux shorts. And here again, even though you might pay a lot of money to learn Stephen Dux's strategies, you'll never be able to trade exactly like Stephen. But really what it boils down to is, if you can learn the setups and the rules, and if you can be a disciplined trader, you can be successful on your own. But the problem is, most traders aren't disciplined. Most traders just want to get in there and gamble and just to be in the action. They're not patient. They break all the rules, and most of them don't even learn the rules. Or they know the rules and they just ignore the rules. And that's why most traders fail. So you can pay $8,000 to learn everything and to have Stephen Dux babysit you, or you can pay a couple $100 and learn all the basics and the rules from my program. And then you can learn how to trade using fake money in a real environment before you put your own money in there, just to make sure that you know what you're doing and that you're going to be good at what you're doing. Because a big issue is that a lot of people don't learn everything up front. They just throw their real money in there right away and they end up losing a ton of money. They blow up their accounts. The reason that I created this program for a lot less money is because a lot of traders don't have that huge trading balance to start with, and they can't afford to put the minimum balance into the type of brokerage account that Stephen Dux trades with in order to do the trades that Stephen Dux trades. So you're most likely going to be limited, and it's just going to boil down to learning the very basics, which are the rules and the patterns and the setups and the catalysts, and understanding when the price is going to change in the opposite direction so that you can make your entry, and knowing when to make your exit. So you can spend a lot of money on all these programs out here, or you can buy a membership to Wolf Trade Alerts for a lot less money, and you'll get everything that you need all in that one low price, and you won't have to face any upsells or any of these more expensive programs because I didn't give you everything up front. You'll get everything up front.